Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very simple hack how to fake a fringe if your hair is too long for fringes anymore. So it's really simple, really easy. This video is under 2 minutes. So all I do is section the part that I want as a fringe and use my finger to find out how high I want it. So I'm just going to pull up my hair. I'm going to use bobby pins to pin my hair high. So when you release it, it doesn't look like it's pinned up. So I'm just going to continue to pin it up to the extent that I want. And that's it, really. Super easy, super simple. My hair is from a bun that I had worn for like 2 weeks. So I didn't do anything special to my hair before I did this. I didn't use any products either, so you don't have to use any products too. So yeah, so it's pretty much easy, pretty much simple. Play around with it however much you want, and once you're done you can use a fancy accessory. I like this one, it's really cute. I got it from, I think, New Look. I'm not sure if it's New Look or Forever 21, but I really think it's New Look, and it's one of my favorite accessories right now. So I am just gonna put that in my hair, and that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, loves. Don't forget to watch more videos, more natural hair videos on my channel, and more tips and hacks and straight to the point videos and useful videos that will help you in your natural hair journey. Take care, loves. Have a wonderful day. Bye.